In today's video tutorial, we are going to crochet the Slouchy Beanie by Yarnspirations. This hat was designed by Ann Regis, and you will need some Red Heart Boutique Unforgettable yarn right here, and you will need a size 6mm crochet hook, a yarn needle, and a pair of scissors. So go ahead and look down in the description box for the link to download this pattern, and we will get started. Okay, we're going to start by doing our slip knot, and we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to slip stitch in your first chain to form a ring, and then you're going to chain 3. Now this chain 3 counts as the first double crochet here and throughout the entire pattern. Now we're going to work 11 double crochets into the ring, which will give us a total of 12 since we're going to be counting our chain 3. So go ahead and do your double crochets into the ring and make sure you have a total of 12 including your chain 3, and then I'll meet you back here. Now that I've done my final double crochet, I'm going to slip stitch into the top of that third chain, and then I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to double crochet in the same stitch, and then we're going to do 2 double crochets in each stitch around, which will leave us with 24 single crochets at the end. So go ahead and do your 24 single crochets, and I will meet you right when I'm about to do the slip stitch in the last stitch. Okay, I'm at my 24th double crochet, and I'm going to do a slip stitch into the top of the third chain. And then on round 3 and all odd numbered rows, we're going to do the back post double crochet in each stitch. So you're going to chain 3, and what you're going to do, you're going to get this first stitch right here, and you're going to go through the back portion right there, go through there, grab your yarn, pull it up, yarn over, and do your double crochet. So you're going through that, you're going through the back. So you're going to yarn over, go through, pull up your yarn, yarn over, and do your double crochet. So do that for each stitch around. You're going to have 24 double crochets when you come to the end, including your chain 3, and I will meet you back when I'm done with my round. Okay, I've completed my last back post double crochet, and now I'm going to slip stitch into the third chain, the top of the third chain. And now we're going to start round 4. Round 4, we're going to do a half double crochet. So you're going to chain 2, and then it says the chain 2 counts as the first half double crochet here and throughout, and then you're going to do 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. So you're going to yarn over, go into the next stitch, and do 2 half double crochets. So we have our 2, and then it says you're going to do 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. So we've got our 2 half double crochets in this stitch, and then we're going to half double crochet in the next stitch. So I'm going to do 1 half double crochet in this stitch, and then you're going to do 2 half double crochets in the next. So you're just going to do 2 in one stitch, and then 1 in the next, 2 in the next, and you're going to repeat that all the way around, and you should have 36 half double crochets when you come to the end, and I'll meet you back. Okay, I've got my 36 half double crochet, so I am going to slip stitch in the top of that chain 2 space. And now we're going to be on row 5, and since that's an odd numbered row, we're going to do the back post double crochet in each stitch around. So go ahead and do your round 5, and then I'll meet you back for round 6. Now I'm at my final double crochet in the back post. There's 36. Now I am going to slip stitch into the top of my 3rd chain. And now that we have this started, you're just going to follow down the pattern and do your increases for round 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. You stop your increases at round 16, and then we're just going to start doing a half double crochet in each stitch until we get to round 24. So remember, on each odd numbered round, you're going to do your double crochet in the back post. On your even number rounds, you're going to do your half double crochet increases. And once I get to round 18, I'll come back and we'll start rounds 18 through 22 together, or actually 18 through 23, and then we'll continue on after that. So I'll meet you back. Now I've completed row 17, which is the double crochet in the back posts. We can now go to rounds 18, and with rounds 18, we're just going to do half double crochet in each stitch around, and then we're going to continue still doing our back post double crochets on the odd numbers. So rounds 18, 20, and 22, you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to do a half double crochet in each stitch around. So there's not going to be any increases on these rounds at all, just one little half double crochet in each stitch. And then remember, the odd rows are the double crochet in the back post. So continue on with your pattern, and when you complete round 22, or actually round 23, do round 23 and do your double crochet in the back post, and then we'll meet back here at round 24, and I'll show you how to do the half double crochet 2 together. I finished round 23, and now we're going to continue on round 24, and with round 24 is when we do our decreases. So what we're going to do is we're going to chain 2, and then we're going to do our half double crochet 2 together in the next stitch. So you're going to yarn over, go through that first stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through that next stitch, pull up a loop, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on your hook. And that's your half double crochet 2 together. And then you're going to do a regular half double crochet in the next stitch, and then you're going to do your half double crochet 2 together in the next 2 stitches. And you're going to repeat that all the way around, and then you will end up doing round 25 as your double crochet in the back post. So continue doing your decrease round for round 24, and then do your round 25, and then I'll meet you back here for round 26. I've finished round 25, and now round 26, we're kind of changing it up a bit. For round 26, you're going to do the same thing as round 20 or as round 3, which is back post double crochet. So you're going to do that in each stitch around, and then once we're done with round 26, we're going to do another back post double crochet round. So round 26 and round 27 are back post double crochet, and then I'll meet you back when we come to round 28, and we're going to do some back post double crochet decreases. Now we're ready for round 28, and we're going to start doing our back post double crochet decreases. So how to start that is you're going to chain 3, and then you're going to do back post double crochets in the next 6 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now we're going to do the back post double crochet 2 together. So you're going to yarn over, go through that back post, grab a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, then you're going to yarn over, you're going to go through the next post, yarn over, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, then pull through 3. And then after you've done your back post 2 double crochet 2 together, you're going to back post double crochet in the next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then we're going to work our back post double crochet 2 together again. Yarn over, go through your back, yarn over, and pull up your loop. Whoops, let me try that again. Yarn over, go through your post, yarn over, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go through the next post, yarn over, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. So continue on with your round 28, and then for rounds 29, 30, and 32, you're going to repeat round 3, and then I'll meet you back here for round 33. Now we're on round 33, and on this round we're going to do back post half double crochets in each stitch. So you're going to chain 2, you're going to go to that back post, and you're going to do a half double crochet through there, and you're going to do this on every stitch around. So do your back post half double crochets, and then I'll meet you back here for round 34 on how we will do the reverse single crochets. Now we're going to do round 34. That's our reverse single crochet. So you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to go to that single crochet right here, and you're going to go into that stitch, do your single crochet. So you're just doing it backwards. Go into the next stitch, pull up your yarn, go through those loops. Go through your next, and this gives it a nice finished edge. I love it when patterns say to do reverse single crochet in them because it just makes a really pretty edge, I think. See how pretty that is? So continue to do that, and then we will fasten off and weave in our ends, and then I'll show you what the finished product looks like on my mannequin. Thank you. Okay, I finished round 34 and I slip stitched into my single crochet, and now I'm going to fasten off, and then I'm going to weave in my tail. I'm going to do that inside to the inside of the hat. Go back down on the other side. I'm going to snip that off. And then I'm going to sew on my little label, and then I will put it on my mannequin, and then you will see how my hat looks when it's on the mannequin.